A heartful thanks to everyone for making our channel reach 10,000 followers. So, coming to today's job openings, before that, I wish you all a happy Holi. Friends, coming to the first job opening, let me tell you that in this video, we are going to cover more than 5 job openings. First of all, Aarti Industries. Friends, these are the vacancy details. They are hiring for executive production department, and the qualification they are looking for is M.Sc organic chemistry, B.tech, B.E or chemical, and the minimum experience is 3 years. So they haven't assigned the salary structure and the number of openings also. So if you are interested, you can apply. Let us see some more details regarding this job opening. Also, like this video if you found this information useful. So let us see the details. The location is Vapi, work from home during COVID, and the selection process will be on the basics of interview. The date of interview is 19th and 20th March 2022. The interview timings are 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. As it is a walk-in interview, the venue is Aarti Industries Limited Custom Synthesis Division. Plot number 22 C/1 first phase GIDC East Estate Vapi, Gujarat. So interested candidates can send they can walk in on the mentioned date. So let us see another walk-in interview from Zydus. Friends, they are recruiting for their formulation manufacturing plant at Ahmedabad, and the walk-in interview is on 28th March 2022 and from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The position is technician or engineer, diploma in ITI with 2 to 8 years of experience in plant maintenance, utility and instrumentation, HVAC plus BMS, HT, LT panels, routine operation. Candidate should have experience in operation of air compressor, chiller and water system. The job also requires process equipment maintenance, and candidate must have knowledge in instrument sensor controls, machine operation, etc. For the above position, it is essential for candidates to have exposure in pharmaceutical company and regulatory requirement of documentation, CGMP or GLP. Friends, interested candidates can go to the walk-in interview. Zydus Life Sciences Limited, formerly known as Cadilla, plot number 1A/1 and 2, Sej, which is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. You can see the details on the screen. So it is little bit tricky to call those names. So these are the details from Zydus, friends. So interested candidates can go for walk-in with their updated CVs and all the last 3 months pay slips, etc. Let us see another job opening from Pfizer for Vizag plant. They are recruiting for the following position: operators manufacturing, operators packaging, supervisor manufacturing, packing and visual inspection. So let us see the qualification for operation manufacturing: diploma in mechanical electrical; for operation packing, diploma in mechanical electrical; for supervisor B.Pharm, M.Pharm or M.Sc. So minimum experience is 2 years for all the positions. Interested candidates may walk in with their updated CV to the following venue on 20th March from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Fairfield, Visakhapatnam. So let us see another job opening from Aspiro Pharma. Friends, they are conducting walk-in interviews for positions: operator, senior operator, officer, senior executive. The qualification is IT or diploma, B.Sc chemistry, B.Pharm, M.Pharm. So minimum 1 year experience is required. So the date of walk-in is 20th March with the below venue. You can see it on the screen. The timings are 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Let us see another job opening from Hetero Drugs. Friends, they are hiring for B.Sc freshers. The vacancy details: junior chemist, B.Sc in chemistry. Experience is freshers candidates. They are hiring for freshers candidates, and the starting salary is 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. The openings are not assigned, that is they haven't mentioned the number of openings. So interested candidates can walk in for the interview. So let us see some more details. The job location is Hyderabad or Secunderabad. You can contact the following person, Praveen HR. His number is also mentioned here on the screen. The selection process will be on the basics of interview. As you all know, the date of interview is 20th March 2022. The interview timings are 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. The venue is Hetero Corporate Office opposite Sanatanagar Police Station, Sanatanagar, Hyderabad 18. So these are the details regarding this job opening, friends. If you found the information very useful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So let us see another job opening from another company, which is Heba. Friends, they are hiring Heba Pharmaceuticals LLP exclusive business partner. They are hiring for production chemist, QC microbiologist; for production technical associate, ITI or diploma; for production chemist, B.Sc, M.Sc, B.Pharm or M.Pharm; for QC microbiologist, B.Sc and M.Sc microbiology. They are hiring for candidates with at least 1-2 years in experience in pharmaceutical companies. So these are the job details. So interested one can walk in between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. with their CV and salary proof on the following date and venue: 20th March 2022. The venue is Heba Pharmaceiutical Limited, Ranipur, Marchak. So you can also contact the numbers given here. If you can't find the venue, they have mentioned the details regarding this walk-in interview. You can contact them. Friends, coming to the final job updates of today's pharma job alerts, Hema Laboratories, they are conducting walk-in interviews. The job location is Raichur, Karnataka. So you should carry the below updated CV, passport photo, 3 months salary payslip, educational certificate, preferred for immediate joining. So if you are willing to immediate joining, then you can attend this interview. The designation they are looking for is quality assurance assistant manager. Required one person. The experience is at least 10 years experience in pharmaceutical industry. The age between 35 to 38 years. The qualification is M.Sc, B.Sc, B.Pharma. The specialty is bulk drug industry. So it is joining date is immediate. So mail your resume to the following mail ID hr@hemalaboratories.com. You can also go to the walk-in interview on between 15th to 20th March 2022. The venue is flat number 105, first floor, SPSS complex, Krich Colony, Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana 500018. So these are the details regarding this job opening. Friends, if you find the information useful, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.